All right. Good afternoon and welcome to the Babaya Sports Stadium. Kumasi Asante Kotoko ball against Great Olympics. Home game for Great Olympics. Omo and home no ayomo dia. Now currently at the Babaya Sports Stadium, time check here 12:35. But it looks like nobody is here. Nettey, last week by this time na senior na ahehuru no na enya asem ketewa. Now, with the signs and signals, say we are going to get a lot of spectators. But then it looks very dull and quiet at Baba Sports Stadium. Basically, no one is here. Sprinklers na here, Juma. I just say in Suno, Womo, Bia, Nessa, or couple of me in Suni Kakra. Na etiefo hu nsuo ne kakra na wɔn hu sɛ ne nsuo no etifa etie aha nti etwa gu ne ade a na ɛsɛ sprinklers no ɛyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ hɔ na yɛho deɛ ɛkɔ nti aha nti wo check out mu sɛ nsuo no ɛna ɛmabie nti sɛ ɔhwɛ a na ɛsɛ nsuo no ɛna ɔmo twia pitch ne deɛ looking at the state of the pitch no to some extent no I started yi ne ho kakra yellow no I started yi ne ho pen by no you say yellow na started yi ne ho but we na no hwa it looks like o metwa so chain ebra Kotoko ebo against Hearts no say Kotoko ne Hearts de ne de na nipa bi mpese park no ye betwa so because na manfo bi believe say aha na omo twa so no de bibi akwa akogusu ntene de otimu say oma bi nsuro maako for but they need to do more to maintain the state of the Baba Sports Stadium. Looks like pitch, break akra, break akra. So, so far, I share around that in Sene Mekan, Obi an shed amba, Obi any has say, you chat around Obi any ha, Nipa Wahana crane drew bear 10. And even at the gate, to move signs is set, and then on here, and then Nipa Nebano, So, this is the state of the Baba Sports Stadium. And yede ho adwumadie no yede ebro was over TV. So let me give you the lineup. Mame emma lineup no quick. Former Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Womo right fullback in Christopher Nettey. Our team no na and then behind the scenes no ye hu ade bi weird kakra. Yenya akukuduro de ebekwa akutwa aba. Yenya akukuduro de betwa akyere mo. No say ways and means ne koso. So Christopher Nettey is starting for a Great Olympics against Asante Kotoko. Ebenezer Sechere is also in the team. Ubenya Boaten from Pong. Ohadrimpa Richmond Buchi also a Womubi. Na wenya Emmanuel Entry Michael Osei player about I think Kotoko should be very, very careful. Razak Kasim. He's the captain and he's in the middle. So could midfield nene. Ibenya the best out of Richmond Lamta. I believe say Lamte's battle with Razak Kasim will be a tough one. Wababo local Black Stars, Wabo Black Galaxies nipping. He's a very stubborn player. When I say stubborn, not as in the Subai, but on the field of play or born attacking now. With the Agrawan Chima Okra and goalkeeper Benjamin Asare. So basically, Ushimwa, notable names na Olympic squad na mediama and on Silver TV, the possible lineup of Asante Kotoko. 20-man squad, no so yeah the mamo. And as usual, you can always trust us when it comes to these Kotoko news. Exactly the way kind of pepe anything. To be clear, now here yesterday's video, no, you have an idea as to Kotoko lineup here. Maybe let me start with giving you the entire players. Then I give you the ones that it is starting for Asante Kotoko. In team, Ubenya goalkeepers no, Frederick Asare and Moise Poitier. Send you know I catch him say Danlad Ibrahim is not in the squad. No, exactly so. Danlad Ibrahim is not in the squad. Defenders, John Tedeku Prince Adasa. Na when a branch your friend Justice play my kind of contract extension home common this week you be come the contract extension no Yusuf Nuruddin na when Henry Ansu na wenya Sharif Mohammed in jersey number 6 defender omo nyina wo team no Enoch Morrison e wo team no mu bi and I want medical catch us and now anam pese me de Peter Aminu Akwa so can defenders no because of the wing back position our. And now I catch us Eric Zeze enka Kotoko team no exactly so Zeze enka team no home enti se o hwe middle na ubenya Sharif Mohammed midfielder Andrews in team menu jersey number 25 Michael Chejamana also in the setup ubenya Rocky Jamana ubenya Sharif Mohammed ubenya Babayaya no wenya Richmond Lamte. Now on offensive aspect no ubenya Isaac Opon na wenya Abranche fen Steve Mukwala na wasenya Abranche fen George Mfegue. And this is basically Nana Benyini Amwa. I think I skipped Nana Benyini's name. To Kotoko Lineup no me trying to toward a shot the amount last week. Asante Kotoko has players are coach. I friend Ugum in Yusuomo no onwa ena ene also in Yusuomo no changes. Maybe ana amount for expected changes. On my catches also Kotoko training now. Sometimes it gets tricky when it comes to the goalkeeper. I have main starting 11 now bet me who so more training no. Sometimes coach my goalkeeper no better match no that the other side and they play against him. Sometimes more training now with me man them so that when defenders ne build up no bet me start smoothly. And sometimes goalkeeping department one year careful I mention a wrong them and the same thing happened last week for training ground. That's why Sober TV decided not to mention the Obeyo goalkeeper until lineup no Freddy Kasari them still a 3-5-2 system. A 3-5-2 system na coach in the ball. So Freddy Kasari as the goalkeeper. Na when your branch here, your friend Peter Minuako as a right wing back, Enoch Morrison as the left wing back. Now when you the middle three of Justice Blay, Henry Ansu and Yusuf Nuruddin as the middle three. Ewechiro center backs no. Left Nuruddin, main center back in Ansu and right center back in Justice Blay. Na middle no benya Sharif Mohammed with Babayaya and Richmond Lamte. Na front two of Isaac Opon and Steve Mukwala. Wemo ene because George Mfegue are returning that Asante Kotoko bench enya what we call a striker. On the last game now na as a forward be any Kotoko bench. But then no benya Sharif Mohammed defender, John Teriku defender. Now when Nana Benyini has defenders available if the team wants to make a change. Over middle, you talk about Rocky Jamana, Michael Che Jamana, and Andrews in team menu as players available in the middle. Now when you're George Mfegue leading that and as attacker on the bench. Now when you're Moise Poite, so also a goalkeeper. As are now two teams no be by they are expected to come after 1 o'clock. So this is the Baba Sports expected to come after 1. The after 1 or more but I can assure you say and the tension any gate like Kotoko game or boy against a team your friend had to focus the kind of tension no gate when Kotoko played against us and then be and and then based on what we are seeing I'm not expecting massive numbers. We're even discussing say and now United near Liverpool game and an influence on attendance. But all in all, Olympics being something appreciable. I'll bet me they come back to the Accra Sports Stadium. So live from the Barra Sports Stadium, DBCBiano, the best sign Eddie Abraham. Bye bye.